trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, "Mr. Buffett, you've lost $10 million today." Do you know what he said? He said, "I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold." Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly.
What is a PALM account in Forex? A PALM simply means percent allocation money management. Account is a smart and hands-free way to earn from Forex trading without trading by yourself. Here's how it works. A professional trader, the manager, opens a PALM account with a Forex broker and starts trading with their own money. Investors like you open your trading account with the same broker that the manager used, fund it and link your funded account to the manager account without handing over your hard-earned money to the manager directly. The manager trades with their money and the system automatically copies those same trades to your investment. When the manager makes a profit, you also earn a profit, minus a small agreed fee, usually around 30%, paid to the manager. Note that the manager does not have direct access to the investor's money. The manager trades using their own funds, while the exchange bot repeats the same transactions for the investor's funds. Example, the manager invests $300, and you invest $200 equals $500 total. After successful trading, the account grows by 200% to $1,500. You now have $600. The manager gets a 30% fee from your $400 profit equals $120. Your final gain, $480. The manager earned $1,020. It's that simple. You keep control of your funds, and you earn based on the manager's skills. At Forex Algotech, we are your #1 trusted PALM account manager. We strongly believe in results, as you can see on our screen over the last 1 year. Join our PALM partnership community today for free and start earning from the financial world. Get back to whoever shared this video with you, and get started today with us. Thank you for watching.
When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who they're long. There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profits strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your
Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. I saw this quick opportunity to trim this account, and I said I should share my strategy, how I want to trim this account. This is pounds USD. We can see that it's edge, and we can see the edge result here. Okay, so now what I want to do now is it's just a quick one. It's just to edge, to trim this edge and use my um, initiative to see how I'm going to, maybe I will use price management zones to place edge back, or what else to do. Okay, so now the buy side is $17 profit, while the selling side is minus 62.25. Okay, so what I need to do here is to input the buy, the negative side on my calculator, hedging calculator, and what is the float is minus 61.7 something. Let me just put it to 62 because market is on floating space, and I got 16 here, but 16 minus swap, which is minus 20 cents. I would say, let me just put 15 here, and I strike enter key, and you can see the advice from the calculator. I have to close 0.01, and I'll have 0.04 left on the sell side, and this is exactly what I'm going to do here. Now I'm going to close all these 16 and close 0.01 here. Market execution 0.01 close. So by doing this, I'm going to start. You can see I'm reducing the what do we call it, the edge bit by bit. So but now after I've done this, I need to remove the calculator so that I will see my screen properly. Now the next thing I need to check now to see is the leg is completely open, and you can see here I don't see any security for my account, and the next zone is this supply zone, which I think it might hold the price. So what I'm going to do here, instead for me to leave it open, I'm going to buy immediately because there's no protection line here. So I'm going to buy immediately to edge it back, and I'm going to edge it back with 0.04 buy direction. So you can see what I did there, and now the pounds are perfectly edged again. This is how I'm going to trim. If you go and look at our last class where I did a trimming, this is what is called trimming in the simplest way. So I've trimmed 0.01, 0.014 from this, and as at today, let me see today what is the result as at today. Let's see. Okay, this is what we have done today as in profit, and the one that we trim now, if you look at 0.01 that we trim is minus 12, and the 0.05 that we close is 16. So if you look at here, we still grab $4 profit here. You can see that's why, because when you are trimming, you have to trim with profit, because in future we can still use the profit that we move from the trimming back to rollover when it's at the end of the month, or wherever, anytime rollover is necessary. This is my own beautiful way of way I trade every time, and it has been working. And to be honest, I will tell you, this is my best way of trading. This is what I know to do for a very long time, and if I can show you this result, this is the same strategy that I've been using to trade this portfolio for almost 2 years now, and you can see the result. In 2022, there's no losing month. in 2025, because of the economy, American economy unstable, you can see that with that in 2025, we have 3 month losing month. January we have a negative 0.1. It's not even up to 1%, and the March of this month is when we lose greatly, which is minus 5%. It does happen, and in April we lost 0.2% loss, and you can see from May we have been trying to um, push the market properly. And in June, you can see I didn't even trade this account at all because this account is the account we use with our students in the class. So I think in June I don't have enough time to trade it. That's why you can see this absent month completely. And July, August, and September we don't make even profit up to 0.1. But we traded in September. That is why you saw the difference between this June and September is that June I don't trade at all. Is you can see it's 0 and gray. September I traded, but I don't made up to 0.1% the whole month. That's why it's green. And in October you can see uh, we did 7.1. This is November um, already. This is November 27th. We have done 2% of the account. That's why I normally tell people also, when you are giving your money out to anyone, or somebody is promising you that every month is going to be paying 5%, 10% return on investment to you, I'm telling you this morning, with using this opportunity, that is already the beginning of your failure, because market doesn't behave the same way every month. So don't expect any fixed return on investment every month. That is the beginning of scam in this industry called forex trading. But if you can do your own trading by yourself, I think it will be beautiful for you to learn how to trade by yourself. And if you want to let anybody manage your money for you, please make sure the person have a proven record like what I'm showing to you, that he can trade, and don't give your money to the person. You rather reach agreement based on PAM account manager or MAM account manager, so that your hard-earned money will not be swindled away from you. Thank you very much for your time. Until we meet again, when there's opportunity to share any of my strategy with you, I will say bye for now. And for some of our members, by next week, we're going to what I did manually now on the screen. We are going to have robots that will be do that trimming for us in automation mode. I think I'm almost, let's say, 30% done on the development of the robot. By the time I finish, all of you will see it at your dashboard. You can download it if you still have a valid license, and good to go. The robot is named the robot is named Edging Trimmer. It will trim your edging. It will roll over your edging. The only thing you need to do is just price zone management at your own convenient time. So having said this, until we meet again in another section, I will say bye for now.